Good evening, Dr. Chung. My name is Steffi Paul alias Paul, and my number matrix is 72699. Uh, Today I will present my title, which is Detection of Bacterial Pathogen in Discolored Chicken Meat at Local Supermarkets. So this introduction focuses on the problem statement, which is the poultry industry faces difficulties in producing discolored chicken meat. It is caused by bacterial pathogen due to too high pH or too low pH, which is optimal pH for microbial growth. Therefore, by detecting bacterial pathogen in broiler meat, we can ensure food safety, as it is the second most high demanding export products and main food consumption in Malaysia. The objective of this proposal is to isolate the bacterial pathogen and its species. Uh, I the bacterial pathogen that I focus on in this proposal is Campylobacter and its strains. Next is the hypothesis. Bacterial pathogen, which is the Campylobacter, can be detected in DFD and PSE chicken meat by using PCR method. This is the methodology. Firstly, the sample will be collected. 90 samples of discolored chicken carcasses will be collected from local supermarket. Next is preparing an enrichment of chicken rinse sample. Chicken sample will be rinsed in buffered peptone water, as shown in this picture right here, and then added with Bolton broth. The third step is plating of the enriched sample. The previous sample will be stripped on MCCDA precedent, which is shown on this picture right here, and incubated under microaerophilic condition. The next step is conventional isolation method. Campylobacter will be identified by morphology, cream staining, and characteristic reactions, and such as urease activity. By morphology, such as spiral-like morphology, spiral-like shape. The fifth step is DNA extraction. DNA from suspected Campylobacter strains will be purified using Wizard genomic DNA purification kit. And the last step is a simplex and multiplex PCR assay. Simplex PCR assay will be used to detect the genus of Campylobacter, while multiplex PCR assay will detect its species. So multiplex PCR assay is more accurate and more specific than simplex PCR assay. The expected outcomes of this proposal, it is expected that the strains will be successfully isolated and identified in discolored chicken meat by using PCR assays and conventional isolation method. Thank you. This is all from me.